The Ural Mining and Metallurgical Company is a major industrial holding founded in 1999 and based in Verkhnaya Pyshma in Sverdlovsk region. The company comprises enterprises located in 11 regions of Russia and in the Republic of Kazakhstan. We produce copper and zinc, extract ore and rare and precious metals, and mine and clean coal. A large portion of our investments are devoted to the development of a raw material base and metallurgical production. Kuzbas Razrez Ugol makes up the coal division of the UMMC group. It ranks second in the production and export of coal in Russia. The bulk of the coal is mined in open pits. Almost all of the coal is processed and washed. UMMC's clean coal has a high calorific value and stands out due to its low ash and sulfur content, meaning that it enjoys stable demand and is competitive on the world market. We export coal through two of our own terminals, via the Ust-Luga port in the west and through the Vostochny port in the east. UMMC's development relies on the stable operation of mineral resource enterprises. UMMC has more than 40 years of raw material supplies, matching the reserves of the largest companies in the world. The former fields of the Uchalinsky mining and processing plant were replaced by the Novo-Uchalinskaya field. Since 2020, the company has been increasing the capacity of the Gaisky plant's underground mine. We're developing the Yubileynoye field and preparing to develop the Podolskoye field. Copper is our main product and enjoys consistent demand on the world market. UMMC copper cathodes are listed on the London Metal Exchange under the brands UMMC and UMMC2. We produce copper wire rods from high-quality cathode copper at Ural Elektromed. This is the final link in the UMMC technological chain, which starts at ore mining and ends with our finished products. Ural Elektromed includes one of the largest refineries in Russia, which produces bank-grade gold and silver bars. The company features on the Good Delivery list as a reliable producer of gold and silver bullion, confirming the product's benchmark quality. The enterprise produces the high-purity rare metals selenium and tellurium. Ural Elektromed is a leading producer of copper electrolytic powders in Europe and the only one in Russia. Some of these products are used in our own production of unique powder products. Zinc production is a significant area of activity for us. Products made by the Chelyabinsk zinc plant are listed on the London Metal Exchange. UMMC supplies a large part of this metal to the domestic market for galvanizing rolled products. The Chelyabinsk zinc plant produces indium and cadmium. Modern life would not be possible without these substances. Indium is used in liquid crystal displays, while cadmium is the main element in rechargeable batteries. At the Sukholozhskoye casting plant, we produce steel and cast iron parts for our company's enterprises. By making our own cast products, we can guarantee high quality and reliable supply. Cable Alliance Holdings brings together the assets of the largest Russian cable manufacturers. We produce unique frost-resistant and heat-resistant cables. Our products are used in critical civilian and military installations, as well as in nuclear power facilities. UMMC's non-ferrous metal processing division unites the two leading non-ferrous metal processing enterprises. We produce flat and round rolled products from copper and copper alloys, sheets, strips, foil, tubes, profiles, bars and rods. Part of the output is sent to the UMMC radiator plants. All kinds of manufactured radiator products are supplied to Russian automobile enterprises and factories for the production of agricultural machinery, with some of the items reserved for export. The Shadrinsky Automobile Units plant is moving in a new direction, the manufacture and modernization of diesel locomotives. This new rolling stock is primarily supplied to UMMC enterprises. Another new initiative was the production of load-haul dumpers in cooperation with the Czech company Ferit. We have already mastered the production of load-haul dumpers with a carrying capacity of 10 and 14 tons. And we also plan to produce more efficient machines with a carrying capacity of 17 tons. We plan to begin production of mining dump trucks with a carrying capacity of 30 and 45 tons in the near future. This will allow us to use machines manufactured by UMMC at our mining enterprises instead of imported equipment. Since its inception, UMMC has primarily invested in environmentally friendly technologies and energy efficiency. Over the past 10 years, we've reduced the total emissions of our copper smelters more than threefold. We are developing energy-saving programs and implementing them at all of our enterprises. We generate about 10% of the total electricity demand of all UMMC enterprises ourselves. Scientific research in areas of key interest to UMMC is carried out by industry institutes including Uralmechanobr in Yekaterinburg and Scientific Research, Design and Technological Institute for Cable Products in Tomsk, and the UMMC Technical University. Our university prepares specialists to work in areas including mining, metallurgy, energy, mechanics and automation, economics and investment management. UMMC finances many cultural institutions and events. Every year we organize corporate festivals and competitions for our employees. We are the most loyal fans of the UMMC women's basketball team and the Automobilist hockey team. We also support our athletes in sambo, table tennis and ice speedway. Since we opened our doors, the Ural Mining and Metallurgical Company has been engaged in charitable activities and the revival of the spiritual foundations of Russian society, continuing the traditions of its enterprises. Well-traveled tourists will tell you that one of the most interesting places in the Urals is the UMMC Museum Complex, which houses the museums of military and automotive technology. This isn't just a multitude of exhibits distributed over an area of more than 8 hectares, it's also a popular attraction for people of different professions and interests. Many events are held on the museum's grounds, including classical and jazz music concerts, masterclasses, test drives, drift shows, and much more. By progressing from the simple to the complex, improving the old and creating the new, and taking care of everyone's well-being, we look to the future with confidence.